Wait, why does his chest hurt like that? Is something wrong with his heart? Does blood stop moving? Why is this kind of pain dangerous? Can the body fix this on its own?
Your heart needs a constant flow of blood. This blood carries oxygen to keep it working. Blood travels through special vessels called arteries. These arteries feed the heart muscle. Over time, fat can build up inside these arteries. This slowly narrows the space for blood flow. The pathway for blood becomes smaller. Less oxygen can reach the heart. Sometimes this buildup suddenly breaks open. This creates a dangerous situation. Your body forms a clot to protect the area, but this clot can block the artery completely. Blood flow suddenly stops in that area. The heart muscle is cut off from oxygen. Heart cells begin to starve without oxygen. They cannot function properly. The starving cells send distress signals. Your brain interprets this as pain. The pain feels like pressure or squeezing. It may feel like something heavy is sitting there. The pain can move to your arm or jaw. This happens because nerves are connected. Your body activates a stress response. You may sweat or feel anxious. You might feel dizzy or sick. Your body knows something serious is happening. If blood does not return quickly, the heart muscle begins to die. The longer the blockage stays, the more damage occurs. This is a medical emergency. Quick action can save life. Doctors work to restore blood flow. They use medicines or procedures. If treated early, the heart can recover. If delayed, the damage may be permanent. Pain is your body's warning signal. It is asking for urgent help. Pain makes you stop activity. This reduces stress on the heart. Your body is trying to survive the event. Every second becomes important. Fast treatment improves outcomes. Delay increases risk of serious harm. Chest pain is a key warning sign. It should always be taken seriously. This pain often feels like pressure, not sharp or stabbing. Pain is usually in the center of the chest. It may spread outward. Pain lasting minutes is concerning. Short pain is less typical. Sweating and nausea add concern. These show body stress. Lifestyle and age increase risk. These affect blood vessels. Immediate help is critical. Waiting can worsen damage. Doctors act quickly to restore flow. They monitor the heart closely. Heart attack happens when an artery is blocked. Blood cannot reach heart muscle. Heart cells need oxygen to survive. Without it, they begin to fail. Pain is a warning signal. Your body is asking for help. Chest pain feels like pressure. It is different from normal pain. Pain can travel to arm or jaw. This helps identify the problem. This condition needs immediate care. Time is very important. Early treatment improves recovery. Delay increases damage.
I thought it was just normal pain. But then it kept getting worse. I didn't understand what was happening. Now I realize it was serious. And getting help quickly really matters.
Alright, let's test your brain. Think carefully before you answer. What causes a heart attack? Blocked artery, cold air, exercise, sleep. Why does the heart get damaged? No oxygen, too much water, extra sleep, cold weather. Why does chest pain happen? Cell distress, muscle growth, food digestion, bone movement. Why does pain move to the arm? Shared nerves, muscle stretch, skin pressure, airflow. What should you do during chest pain? Seek help, sleep, ignore, eat food. Did you get them right? The answers are waiting in your worksheet download. Download your free worksheet and test your brain. If you enjoyed this, share it with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.